HopGain FLOE is the quickest way to introduce hop intensity into your brew. There is no need to pre-warm or use any special equipment, just use it as you would T90 pellets. FLOE has been formulated to be added to the hot side of the brewing process. Its heat stability means that it can be added to the late stages of the boil and into the whirlpool, performing best when the temperature of the wort is between 65 and 100 degrees Celsius. So now that it's added, it'll immediately start imparting flavour into the wort, but we recommend 40 minutes contact time. 1 kilogram of FLOE is equal to 10 kilograms of T90 pellets. Simply increase the dose to boost hop intensity. It's crafted from 100% hops, and it also has a standardised oil content, meaning there's no variation between batches. You gain all the benefits of hop additions, but with no alpha acids, there is no unwanted bitterness. Achieve consistency and repeatability in every batch without the complications of increased pellet use. Brew with precision, embrace innovation, and go with the flow.